Rule 28. Vessel concerned by their draft. A vessel concerned by her draft may in addition to the light prescribed bed for power drive-in vessel in the Rule 23 exhibit where they can be a scene there. Scene 3 all around red light in a vertical line or a cylinder. Rule 29. Pilot vessel. A vessel engaged on pilotage duty shall exhibit a or near the match head to all around light in a vertical line, the upper being white and the lower red. When underway, in addition, side light and stair light. When at anchor, in addition to the light prescribed in the sub-paragraph, the lights or shape prescribed in the Rule 30 for a vessel at an anchor. A pilot vessel will not engage on pilotage duty shall exhibit the lights. The shape prescribed for the similar vessel of the Rule 30. Anchored vessel and vessel aground. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit where it can be seen in the first part and all around white light or one ball at or near to stern and a lower level than the light prescribed in the sub paragraph and all around white light. A vessel of the less than 50 meters in length may exhibit an all around white light where I can best be seen instead of the light prescribed in a paragraph of this rule. A vessel and anchor may and a vessel of 100 meters at more in the length of this rule and edition. Rule 31. Ship planes. Where it is practicable for seaplane to exhibit light and shape of the characteristics or in the position paragraph prescribed in the rules of this part, she shall exhibit light and shapes and closely similar in the characteristic and position is Rule 32. Definition. A word while style means any sounds signaling appliance capable producing the prescribed blast and which complies with the specification Annex 1112 those regulations. The term short blast means a blast of the about 1 seconds durations. The terms of prolonged blades means a blast of from 4 to 6 seconds.